These units are from Allied Air Enterprises, which is owned by Lennox International. The units are made in America but are only sold through their factory-authorized dealer network, and their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. All of the units feature louvered panel construction, which does a good job of protecting the condenser coil from damage, and their MHT technology for enhanced refrigerant and airflow through the unit, which maximizes efficiency for the unit size. They use quiet shift technology, which equalizes the refrigerant pressures before going in and out of defrost, which results in quieter operation. The 4SHP15Li is a basic single-speed heat pump with a compressor blanket and a swept wing fan for noise control, as well as an 8.5 HSPF heating efficiency. The 4SHP22LX is an ultimate heat pump with a 9.5 HSPF2 heating efficiency and a pretty decent guarantee, but it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure. They feature true variable speed compressors that change their speed in precise increments to provide longer, gentler run cycles for ultimate comfort. The brand does not offer a two-stage model for the premium category of heat pumps. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.